up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Destiny, and I would love it if you guys would like, comment, share, and subscribe on all my videos. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY of how I make my homemade shea butter. So I usually make shea butter like every couple months. It usually lasts me a very long time, and I usually really like to wear it during the cooler months, but I will still use it during the summer. But it just depends on where I'm going and stuff. I made another batch and I decided to film it and show you guys. But before that, I just want to show you guys, this is how it looks, and this is my DIY whipped shea butter. This is all natural. This is all natural products. For me, I just like to use more natural products on my skin because I have very sensitive skin and I can't just use anything on my body. And if I'm not using olive oil or grapeseed oil or coconut oil to moisturize my skin, which I usually do during the summer because it's lighter than the butter, I'll go ahead and use my shea butter mix or some cocoa butter. And this mix, let me show you guys. This mix is really creamy and it really makes your skin shine. Like, if you guys can see that glow that I have, like, it is amazing. And it also smells so good. So you can see this shoulder is shining compared to this. Well, both my shoulders are shining, but a lot of people ask me like what I use on my skin, what I use on my face. If I'm not using my Pond's moisturizing cream, then I will literally use the smallest amount of my shea butter mix to moisturize my face and go on about my day. That's pretty much all I want to say. So also, in creating this butter, I did use my own signature fragrance, which I will have for you all to purchase eventually. But you can use any essential oil like lemon. I wouldn't really recommend peppermint because it's kind of minty, but lemon, lavender, even orange to give it a nice scent, because some people don't like the shea butter mix. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. And you can always adjust the ingredients to your own liking, add whichever oils you want. But all I used was raw shea butter, coconut oil, and olive oil, and I got this beautiful nice mix. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing here is I am taking my shea butter and I'm pouring it into a bowl. So I do have a little bit less shea butter that would normally come in this container because I've kind of been dipping in it because I ran out and I was just too lazy to make the mix. I thought I also had like a screenshot of all the products I use, but what I'll go ahead and do is just insert little images over this video. But after I put the shea butter in the bowl, I'm gonna mash it down with a spoon just to kind of help break it up a little bit more. I personally like to whip my shea butter. You can also like melt it over the stove or in the microwave, but I like this way because the last time I melted it, it went back to like a clumpy form, versus if you just whip it from the beginning, it'll remain whipped. So then I'm going to take a really large spoonful of the coconut oil, and I'm not using a lot of that because it doesn't clog my pores, but I'm just cautious of that. And then I tried to use a spoon to pour the olive oil, but I just ended up eyeing it. But I guess this is about maybe 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Honestly, I don't measure anything. I just do everything by sight, and I don't put too much oil. Just, you know, whichever oils you choose to use, don't use that much. But this is about how much oil I have, and this is going to be my mixer. I'm not sure which brand mixer this is, but it's from Walmart, and unfortunately I lost the other whisk side. But here I am trying to whip the shea butter with this mixer, but it's not working. Well, not that it's not working, but my bowl is too small. So you're gonna want to make sure you have a really large bowl, because you can see like my boyfriend was trying to help me stop the shea butter from flying. If you don't use a really large bowl, the shea butter will like start flying everywhere, and then you're losing shea butter. So yeah, I had to switch to a bigger bowl. And then after that, mixing was fine. I just made sure I tilted the bowl. This isn't the bowl I usually use, but I couldn't find my really big one, but this one would do for now. Just make sure you use a really big bowl. So I just whip it until it starts to get more of a creamy consistency. So you guys can see how creamy the mixture is already. It's just gonna get even more smoother after I add in the oils. Like, it's just a dream, literally a dream. So then I'm gonna add in the coconut and the olive oil, and I like to mix it in with a spoon first, just to, you know, get it coated over the shea butter and make it a little bit more easier to manipulate. After you add oils and things, it makes the shea butter so much easier to whip. It's already easy to whip, but adding the oil makes it so much easier. And then I go ahead and whip it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Not really, I mean, as you guys can see it's getting smooth. After I mix in the oil, I go ahead and smooth it out with a spoon, also to show you guys the texture, but I just do that to ensure that the oil is evenly distributed. Then I'm going to add my signature fragrance. So like I said, this is a signature fragrance that I will be selling. Hopefully I'll be able to release it this summer, but it is a natural perfumed fragrance. It doesn't have alcohols or anything in there. If you don't have anything like that, then you can add in like an essential oil like olive or lavender, or you can just keep the shea butter scent. And then I'm pretty much done, and I'm just gonna take that and add it into my own container. I do want to say, you want to make sure that you store this in a cool place, so maybe like a cabinet or somewhere dark and cool. That's just my tip to you guys, because it will start to melt. I've experienced that because I left it in the car and it was really melted. But other than that, like, I really like to use shea butter on my skin, on my face, and you can also use this in your hair if you would like to seal your ends. It's pretty much multi-purpose. So yeah, in the end, this is the product that you should get. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys recreate this if you haven't already, and go ahead and use this creamy mix on your skin to get that summer glow, or that all year round glow. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe on all my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.